I'm Brandy Jackson.
I'm Robin.
My name is Angela.
My name is Sherry.
My name is Lakeisha.
Tiana Smith.
My name is Kim.
I'm Yolanda Parker.
And I'm ready to
flaunt my
florals.
To flaunt my florals.
To flaunt
my florals, honey.
My takeaway from the workshop was to learn from women who have already taken their business to the next level.
This workshop has been phenomenal. I have learned so much from florals, the names, the mechanics. I came to the Flaunt Your Florals workshop because I'm ready to take my business to the next level and add florals to my event space.
I signed up for this workshop to enhance my skills, and I have learned that things are not as hard as they seem. I am so glad that I pushed to get here.
We did so much work. I've learned so much from Tanisha and all the women here.
So Tanisha, as a teacher, oh my gosh, I started learning from her the moment I met her.
She has pizzazz, she has excitement, and she's a woman of faith.
If you're considering coming to one of Tanisha Chickways workshops, I strongly encourage you to do so. It will be well worth it.
Coming to a workshop by Tanisha, I think whatever she charged would be worth it because she's not only going to teach you how to flaunt your floral, but she would also teach you the business aspect of it.
You will learn more than you think you could learn.
It's nothing to think about, just do it. Because this is a great experience, and it was invaluable what I learned. And I've been to workshops before where I didn't learn anything.
The only way you're going to level up is to get in the room, and to get in the room with those that are going to be open and transparent about what you're learning.
Miss Tanisha, she's not a gatekeeper. She's going to give you all the information and knowledge that she has.
It's hard for women to get along, and everybody here, we just getting along and we just helping each other, and it's just a sisterhood. If you weren't here, you missed a chance to flaunt your florals.
You missed it. I think this is a great opportunity for you to kind of learn from other creators from around the world.
If you're looking to take your business to the next level and add florals, definitely get with Tanisha and flaunt your florals.